How's it going, everyone? Jacob Rothberg here, bringing to you a quick short video on Amazon Kindle self-publishing. Just got two books out this month. First one was out at the beginning of this month, and I was able to successfully upload my second one about 2 days ago. Just going through the whole process of having both of the books ranked. Right now, I'm finding that it takes a little bit more time to get a book ranked than it did before, say 2017-ish. So sales are picking up a little bit. I'm already getting sales despite not having reviews on both books. So that is a good sign of what's to come. And related to that, I want to talk about briefly for some of you new publishers out there, what pace you need to work at to be successful in publishing, how much action is really required to succeed in self-publishing. Now, I can tell you firsthand, all it takes is one book, one or two books, to really make a difference with your passive income. Given that you follow the steps in my self-publishing blueprint, your step-by-step guide in making your first $1,000 online with Kindle Publishing. Kindle Publishing is the easiest way of making $1,000 online, and my self-publishing blueprint, bar none, is the best course on it. If you're interested, the link is below. But anyhow, what I want to bring up is how much action it really takes for new publishers, since it takes time to really, first off, know what you're doing, execute, and building momentum into becoming a successful publisher. Generally speaking, I would say, well, it all starts with one book. So, do everything that you can to research properly, follow the steps, ideally through the blueprint on how to set up your book, going through the whole process of outsourcing the content, the cover, the formatting if need be, everything related to that, and just get it out there. Now, undoubtedly and inevitably, your first one, two, maybe your first three books are going to suck. You're going to make some kind of mistake, some kind of oversight related to the steps required. Maybe you found a keyword that's too saturated or has too much competition, but it's all good. I had to go through that myself. I have a body scrubs book, dear God, that I outsourced the content from Fiverr back before I joined the blueprint, and it's a whole freaking mess. To date, it's been about a year since I published that book, and it's only made me $80. So that is one of my mistakes. Stupid. But anyhow, I would say once you get the groove of what you're doing, aim for minimum 2 books a month. Publishing one book a month is just too slow, honestly, to really scale into making at least 1,000 online consistently. I'd say you need a repertoire of 15 to 20 books to get going with at least 1,000 online monthly. With 15 to 20 books, you can easily make 2,000 a month, perhaps more, if it's selling particularly well. But if you're looking for consistent sales, you need around between 15 to 20 books. That'll generate you 1,000 to 2,000 monthly. So personally, having done this for quite some time now, if I didn't have a day job, I could see myself publishing, gosh, up to, I would say 10, maybe 6 to 7 books per month, and I would consider that just cruising along. As it stands now with my full-time position, I'm looking at, doing 3 to 4 books, which is still really easy to do. It's just more of a time constraint issue. Now, I could, I suppose, outsource those steps with working with a VA on managing my business, but that'll be coming soon, and maybe Mecca will have news on that sometime. But other than that, yeah, definitely try to aim for 2 books a month. If you're doing one book every other month, you're not trying hard enough. You're not serious about publishing. You really gotta step it up. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of looking for a keyword and publishing. You're gonna fuck up. It's okay. I still mess up too, from time to time. Less than before, but you can do all the research and judgment and still make human errors or overlook something that you didn't see with evaluating a keyword or such. So just get out there, take action. You can publish 100 crappy books. That's going to be so much infinitely better than just waiting until you publish that one perfect book. Okay, so get out there, take action, and good luck. Thank you.